is going to get a lot more interesting. We're done with some of the data. Now we're getting into some really cool stuff. Part 284A8, line 22f1fa19a8, Jupiter Ganymede magnetic field alien life, JUICE, J-U-I-C-E, 5G Wow Seti. And that's not orange juice, that's just the call letters for a program, okay? There's the Wow Seti alien radio signal, and we got this lovely picture here, which isn't very clear. It's old. The moon Ganymede as imaged by Pioneer 10. So this is what our pictures used to look like back in 1970, 1960. And look how nice and clear they are now. Huge difference, right? This is the same thing, but that's how much better our cameras are. Thank God for technology. So image of Ganymede's anti-Jovian hemisphere taken by the Galileo probe. Lighter surfaces such as in recent impacts, grooved terrain, and a whitish north polar cap right there. Is at upper right. Upper right. It's more like the bottom left. Okay. Maybe they got it. Oh, maybe I got something wrong there. Sorry. I don't know. Are enriched in water ice. This is discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. He's got it through his little telescope there, back in the 1600s. And there's all the data there for it. Orbital periods and stuff. 87 million kilometers wide, volume, mass. Gravity, source of gravity is 1428 m. Rotation period is synchronous. Axial tilt is 0 to 33. I thought it was interesting when it said 0 to 33 degrees because I believe Earth's axial tilt is in the same degree, 0 to, I think we're to 27, aren't we? I'm not sure. But I think we're in that degree, so it's kind of tilted the same way as Earth. Composition, oxygen. So 12:11 p.m. July 17th. Alien sounds on Jupiter is on YouTube. So if you were to go on YouTube and Google alien sounds, you'll hear this video and it has these little sounds of aliens. So I'm going to show you that real quickly. Right here. Just so you can see what I'm talking about. Sorry, I should have had the link ready. More fun that way. Here it is. So I Google alien sounds Jupiter, and this is what comes up. Jupiter sounds so strange. I just want to listen to it for a second here. Anytime. Oh, sorry, I got my headset plugged in there. Hear the sounds? Weird, eh? Anyways, it's really cool to listen to. I like listening to it. It's fun. Okay, so I'm going to go back to here. So it's really fascinating to listen to. I see this diagram, and AIRL says the alien voices are coming from Ganymede. AIRL is a gray alien from 1947 from the UFO Roswell crash. And she talks sometimes. She says that they live in a biosphere under the ice, but have large holes to transport out with their UFOs. So I'm going to Google Ganymede to find out whether this, what she says, is possibly true. Okay? So wiki quote, Ganymede. Jupiter 3 is a satellite of Jupiter and the largest moon in the solar system. It is the 7th moon and 3rd Galilean satellite outward from Jupiter. Completing an orbit in roughly 7 days, Ganymede participates in 1-2-4 orbital resonance with the moons Europa and Io respectively. It has a diameter of 5,268 kilometers, or 3,273 miles, 8% larger than that of the planet Mercury, but has only 45% of the latter's mass. Its diameter is 2% larger than that of Titan, the second largest moon. It also has the highest mass of all planetary satellites, with 2.02 times the mass of the Earth's moon. Ganymede is composed of approximately equal amounts of silicate rock and water ice. It is a fully differentiated body with an iron-rich liquid core. A saltwater ocean is believed to exist nearly 200 kilometers below Ganymede's surface, sandwiched between layers of ice. So it is possible that these people can be living in a biosphere, like she says. Ganymede is the only satellite in the solar system known to possess a magnetosphere, likely created through convection with a liquid iron core. The meager magnetosphere is buried within Jupiter's much larger magnetic field, and would show only as a local perturbation of the field lines. The satellite has a thin oxygen atmosphere that includes 002 and possibly 03 ozone. Atomic hydrogen is a minor atmospheric constituent. Whether the satellite has an ionosphere associated with its atmosphere is unresolved. Ganymede's discovery is credited to Galileo Galilei, who was the first to observe it on January 7, 1610. The satellite's name was soon suggested by astronomer Simon Marius for the mythological Ganymede, cupbearer of the Greek gods and Zeus lovers. Beginning with Pioneer 10 spacecraft, have been able to examine Ganymede closely. The Voyager probe refined measurements of its size, while the Galileo craft discovered its underground ocean and magnetic field. The next planned mission to the Jovian system is the European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moon Explorer JUICE, due to launch in 2022. After flybys of all three icy Galilean moons, the probe is planned to enter orbit around Ganymede. July 17, 2012, my thoughts. I googled the European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moon Explorer JUICE to find out more about its space mission in the next few videos.